In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack message notification sound. This guide will help you customize your alerts to better suit your preferences, making sure you never miss an important message while keeping distractions to a minimum. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to locate your profile picture within the Slack application. Usually, you'll find this at the top right corner of your Slack workspace. Click on it, and this will open up a small drop-down menu with various options related to your account settings and preferences. Once you've done that, the next step is to click on the Preferences option. You'll see this option in the same drop-down menu that appeared after clicking on your profile picture. Selecting Preferences will take you into the settings area where you can customize different aspects of your Slack experience. Within the Preferences section, your next destination is the Notifications tab. Once you click it, you'll see a variety of options related to how and when you receive alerts from Slack. This is where you manage the flow of information to ensure you're notified when necessary and maintain your focus when you're busy. After entering the notification settings, you need to scroll down to find the Sound and Appearance section. This is the hub for tweaking how your notifications sound and look. Once you're in this section, you'll see a variety of notification sound options. These sounds range from subtle chimes to a more pronounced alerts, so take a moment to preview each one by clicking on them. Listening to the different options will help you choose a sound that best fits your environment and alert needs. And after you've previewed and chosen your preferred sound, you also have the flexibility to decide how Slack notifies you in different contexts. Remember, the goal is to select the notification sound that is alerting yet unobtrusive in your daily interactions. Slack makes it easy to tailor your notification experience by automatically saving any changes you make. So, once you've settled on your chosen sound, there's no need for any additional save steps. Your preference is saved automatically as you exit the menu. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Slack message notification sound. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your productivity by ensuring that your notifications are both effective and suited to your style. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.